In this video, we are gonna walk through how to replace the AC board. Here are tools we need. First, we need to remove the power cord from the machine. For XL or XXL models, first remove the back panel and turn the machine's back switch off, and then unplug the power cord. For Pro and Plus models, turn the machine's back switch off, unplug the power cord. For version 1.43 or higher version machines, which has the slide type tablet stand, unplug the USB cable, pull the tablet stand out gently. And for version 1.3 to version 1.42 machines, which have the screw type tablet stand, unscrew the 3 screws holding the tablet stand, and then remove the stand. You need to remove the drip tray and drip tray cover, and lift the lever on the back of the machine and drag the water tank out and remove it. And remove the portafilter and group head handle as well. And now you need to remove the main cover. Use a T10 Torx screwdriver to remove the 8 screws on the main cover. Once all screws are out, gently stretch the sides of the cover and then lift it up off the machine. We need to remove the chassis that the manifold is mounted. If there are Torx T10 size screws, you need to use a Torx T10 screwdriver. Or if you have Phillips head screws, you need to use PH2 size Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the 6 screws securing the chassis. Unscrew the screw on the side of the boardroom lid using a T10 Torx or PH2 Phillips head screwdriver depending on the type of the screw head, and remove the lid. Remove the PSU holding chassis. Older machines have 3 screws. Newer machines have 4 screws. The screw type may be T10 Torx or PH2. Use the appropriate screwdriver. Unscrew the screws securing the PSU holding chassis. Before removing the final screw, cover the machine leg with a cloth to protect it from scratches during removal. Once all screws are removed, gently place the chassis on the countertop. Remove the back panel. For D1 Pro, remove the 4 T10 Torx screws securing the back panel. For D1 XL or XXL, remove the 4 standoffs using an adjustable wrench or pliers. You can also use a T10 Torx screwdriver by inserting the tip into the screw head, pressing it firmly, and turning the standoff with your fingers while turning the screwdriver. Unscrew the intake pipe knob. To make it easier, lift the pipe slightly and hold a tube from the inside with your other hand. Remove the back panel. Disconnect cables from the AC board. While pulling each cable, press the clip to release it. Remove the ribbon cable. The ribbon cable connects the AC and DC boards. Disconnect it from the AC board side only by placing your fingers on the top and bottom sides of the connector head and gently pulling it out with a wiggling motion. Unscrew the 5 screws securing the AC board from the back of the machine using a T10 Torx or PH2 Phillips head screwdriver. Disconnect the power wires. Use pliers to remove the red wire from the relay. Use pliers to remove the black wire from the power switch. Remove the AC board from the machine. Disconnect a 2-pin cable. Press the clip while pulling the 2-pin cable out. Cut the cable tie on the black blue tube T-tap wire connector using nippers. Open the quick splice connector and remove the black tube. Release the latch and open the plastic casing. Remove the metal blade from the connector with the 2 wires. We recommend wearing a comfort grip glove to securely hold the metal blade while removing the wire. Then pull the black wire out of the metal blade. Install the new AC board. Insert the metal blade back into the plastic casing. The flat side of the blade should face the slot. Once the blade is in place, press it further with your thumb until it protrudes a bit more from the back. Next, place the black wire into the plastic casing on the side opposite the blade. Close the casing, tighten it using pliers and ensure the latch is securely locked. Fix it tightly using a cable tie. Trim off the excess cable tie using nippers. Plug the red wire into the relay. Use pliers to press firmly. Reconnect the 2-pin cable, push it into the connector until you hear a click. Place the AC board back into its original position. Plug the black wire into the power switch. Reconnect the ribbon cable. Plug the ribbon cable back into the AC board. Make sure all holes and pins are properly aligned. Press it in until the pins are no longer visible. Then check that all pins are fully inserted into the cable. Mount the AC board. Install the 5 screws on the back of the machine to secure the AC board. You may need to slightly raise the board to align the hole for the first screw. Tighten the first 4 screws halfway to allow alignment of the board and rear chassis holes. Once aligned, insert the 5th screw and fully tighten all screws. Reconnect the AC board cables. Insert each cable until you hear a click. Reinstall the PSU holding chassis. Be careful not to pinch any wires between the chassis and machine's body. Hold the chassis with one hand while inserting the first screw. Install the boardroom lid. Put the boardroom lid in place and secure it with a screw. Reinstall the back panel. Insert the refill water inlet bulb connector through the circular hole on the lower left side of the back panel. Hold the back panel in place while tightening the intake lever. Lift the intake pipe slightly by holding the pump tube with one hand and use the other hand to tighten the lever. secure the back panel. For D1 Pro, tighten the 4 T10 screws. For D1 XL or XXL, reinstall the 4 standoffs. Tighten the standoffs using your fingers first, and then fully secure them using T10 screwdriver. Reattach the side panel. Hold the panel in place and insert the screws. Tighten the first 5 screws halfway to allow alignment. Then fully tighten all 6 screws. There you have it. If you have any questions or difficulties during the replacement, feel free to reach out to us via our tech support channel.